always known there was something mysterious about Paul. I was sure. Because how can a graduate of labor law be an Agbero?
Makachi, Clara is lucky I did not meet her in this house. I would have so dealt with her, she would not walk across this gate next time.
Oh, I think you're the one who needs help. You need to help yourself. Yes.
Did you just say that to me, you know?
Yes, I did. And I will repeat it again. You need to rise up and help yourself. I mean, look at you. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed to be an Agberu after reading law?
Ah! Don't say that again. I am an Agberu because I chose to be. Do you know how much I make in that office?
Really? And who says we're talking about money here? Paul, we're talking about dignity, not money.
Peter is not richer than me, even though he's a lecturer and a pharmacist.
Amazing. On the contrary, he is. Can't you see? I mean, you are still in the family house. He left for you. He has built for himself a duplex and doing very well with his pharmacy business. And you're talking about who is richer?
It's not about a house. I am still here because I want to be here, and this is better than his house. If I want a new house, I will build it immediately. And let me warn you, Eno. I hate it when people compare me with Peter.
Paul, I am not just people. I am your woman. And I have the responsibility to tell you the truth. You talk with so much hate for your brother. You say bad words against him. Whether you like it or not, Peter is your brother. So, what are we talking about here?
No. Please, in the interest of peace, concentrate on your duty as my woman and stick to it. Stop dabbling in my family affairs.
And I will beg you in the name of whatever you hold sacred. Let peace reign. Peter is your twin brother and you two have to come back together as brothers. Please.
I am an enigma by every definition of that word. I warn you again, stay away from my family affairs.
Wait for there. I better stop there. You know say we get scores to settle now.
Sorry, I don't know you.
You dey craze? Wetin be you no know me? I be like 2 years old girl for your eye. Say if I see who that fella go remember am. I better give me my money, Jare.
So sorry, calm down please. I am not who you think I am.
Oga, I go slap you. Who you want deceive? Pay me my money. Say you are not. Give me my money. I look your face.
Look at me very well. I'm not who you think I am. I know.
Oga Paul, give me my money.
I am not Paul. Paul is my twin brother. Paul is my twin brother who actually is a lawyer but I refused to study and doing Agbero.
I beg, forget. Which lawyer? Which lawyer Paul be? Paul na Agbero.
Just believe me. I'm not Paul. I know very well what you're talking about.
Even your behavior, your appearance tells me that you're not really, you know be Paul. You know be Paul.
I am telling you that I know what you're talking about. I did not deny, but the truth is I'm not
Okay, no wahala. If you reach, help me tell Paul. Agnes talk say if I see am anywhere, I go tear am.
But sorry, who are you?
My name na Agnes. The most popular ashawo for this whole area. Paul, your brother, can't knock me. He no get star, no give Paul. I give Paul 2 snake and monkey shadow. I give Paul all the style. Paul chop me finish. If he say me now show free. I know they do a show. I never do it for my life. He go pay me that money. The last time I will see na injure am for hand. The next time when I go see him, I go cut him neck.
What kind of embarrassment is this? I can't even go where I'm going anymore. Just look at my shirt. How do I go where I'm going now? And I have to go look for another shirt.
Now so I for take enter police case today. Jesus. Hey! Abeg, who dey here o? Abeg, give me chilled can water. Ma take. Okay. Wetin dey happen? What a striking resemblance. Hey! Someone can mistake their two to be the same person. Just that this lecturer looks more refined and gentle than that Agbero. Agbero, Paul. Paul, last you go collect o. You go collect woto. You no fit chop me, no fit do me oshofri, no fit happen. Eh? You don't make me now come go tear this gentle, handsome, cute guy. I just tear his shirt for nothing. Okay, now no wahala. You go see. Paul. Ooh.
Paul! So finally we met. Huh? You think you can make away with my 10 million naira? No way. Now what I want is my money or I'll call police on you now.
Sorry. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about? Okay, fine. I am Richard, the guy you sold a land that belongs to another person to. Now, give me my money now or I'll call police on you.
Mr. Richard, I am not Paul.
You're a pathological liar. What do you mean you're not Paul? You and your boys sold a land to me, a land that belongs to another person, and you made away with my 10 million naira, and now you're telling me you don't know me.
Please, listen to me. My name is Professor Peter Ndulue, a lecturer of pharmacology at the State University, married to Dr. Clara Ndulue, who works with the Federal Medical Center.
That's the same name, Ndulue. Peter Ndulue.
Paul is my twin brother. I am not into land racketeering, neither do I deal on lands. So if you have any dealings with him, I'm sure you know where to find him. Have a nice day.
He might be saying the truth. The only difference between two of them is the manner in which he speaks and his gentility. Anyway, I should get him. If I lay my eyes on that guy called Paul, what I would do to him, eyes have not seen. I will deal with him ruthlessly. You think he can eat my money and run away? Imagine selling a land that belongs to another person to me and run away with my money. Don't worry. I will make sure him and his touts rot in jail. By the time I finish with him, he will know who Richard is. I will go to the end of the world to make sure I get him. Man, imagine what this innocent guy must have been going through. Eh? Who knows how many times people have stopped him to embarrass him because of this idiot called Paul. Eh? Just standing the innocent boy's name for nothing. Anyway, I will surely get him one day and I will deal with him. I'll make sure he rots in jail. It's a promise. No one mess with me.
Can you just calm down and tell me exactly what is eating you?
Paul is misbehaving so much in this town, I might be forced to arrest him.
What has he done again?
That guy is causing me so much embarrassment.
Okay, just calm down and tell me what happened. Take it easy.
There is no place I walk into in this town that somebody does not stop me or confront me telling me I ate their money.
Oh my goodness. This has always been my fear. You two are so identical. I hope none of them was violent towards you.
One was a prostitute.
Huh?
A high-class prostitute that Paul slept with and did not pay her. She almost tore all my clothes. You can see this is not the clothes I wore out of the house. I had to get to a boutique to pick this shirt. The other was one Richard who said Paul sold the land to him that he has sold to someone else. What kind of disgrace is this?
God. This is not good at all.
Babe, what do I do to this man?
Nothing. My love, you won't do anything to him. He is your blood.
So if he's my blood, he should continue to cause me pains?
You have to keep enduring.
I have had it up to here. I'm tired.
Honey, please, just calm down. I won't allow you confront your brother. That is the last thing you should be thinking about right now.
So I should let him keep misbehaving and dragging the Ndulwe family name in the mud?
What if you confront him and then you guys get things twisted? You know how it always ends up when you two meet. Please, just calm down, I beg you. Please.
What have I done to deserve this, God? Why would you give me somebody like this as a brother?
Babes, it might not be entirely his fault. It might be as a result of the curse placed on him. Same thing that man told me, the one who came to my office. How do I convince him to pay attention to what that man said?
So, have you guys found a buyer for the land?
So we get Boss, you can't believe what we are here to tell you.
What is it?
Boss, Uju found us on that land with the buyer. That man threatened fire and brimstone to the extent that the buyer had to leave. I'm telling you.
Uju did what? Spider, is it true?
Boss, not true.
I hope so. I hope you like the land. You like what you see, right?
I know.
See,
That George will be happy.
The land is okay. The land is very. I'm fine with the land. Please, I want to buy the paper. I don't want any issues.
Oh, no. There's no issue at all. You understand? Our lands are legit and confirmed. You can see it's a virgin land.
Table land.
Virgin land.
Yeah.
Genuine land.
What's the name of that your boss?
Barrister Paul.
Barrister Paul. Yes. Wow. He's a barrister.
Yes.
Nice.
But I would like to see him because I would like to get more clarification from him.
That one is not a problem now.
If you want to go now,
His office is around that roundabout, that motor park.
Yes.
His office is around that place.
So shall we? Let's get
Of course, let's.
Who are these encroachers? What exactly are you people doing here? What is happening here? Can somebody tell me?
Who are you, sir?
What do you mean by that? What is going on?
Don't worry, we are already leaving.
We are leaving to where? We are going already. Tell me what is happening here. What are you boys doing here?
Who is he?
What is he asking?
Sir, they brought me here. They said,
You know what, okay? Let's just go.
Go to where? What are you doing here?
Can you guys calm down? Can you guys calm down? I don't like when things have been done this way, sir. They brought me here. They said that they want to sell this piece of land.
No, we don't want to. It's not that we want to sell. Like we are showing you the lands that we normally sell.
Let me hear you.
My name is George. They brought me here. They said they want to sell this particular piece of land, and I'm interested because they said their boss is one Mr. Paul. One Mr. Paul. Yes. One Barrister Paul. Barrister Paul, according to them.
Oh, that Agboro brought his touts to my house, saying they want to buy this my portion of land. I refused, but I can now see that they have decided to snatch it from me and sell, just as they have been doing to others.
What?
But this will be his last.
My chairman, you needed to be there to witness with your Korokoro ID where this man was ranting. Udege was ranting, threatening to kill anybody who dares step his or her foot into that land.
Chamo man play the tape well. As I dey follow you talk now, we don't convince that man finish.
And they tell you,
That man, no, he just be like say he won't do transfer, give us. The man land. Man just share me the way the thing take be.
Shut up! I'm not telling you what I think. This is their work. These are his boys. He will take them to people's land, sell the land, and when you come there, you and the owner of the land will
Boys,
battle.
let's go to the office.
Let's
I'm so sorry, sir. Thank you for because I almost paid and I could have been duped by all these cheap
You
stuff.
said your name is George.
Yes, sir.
George, when next you want to buy any portion of land, especially in this area, ask questions to avoid being defrauded by these Agboros. Huh?
Around here.
Hmm?
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it. It's well. I don't want to. You boys, let me not see you anyway. I think I'll bring one deadly deity on this land. That's what I'll do. Somebody must die. Somebody have to die for this portion of land before you people will learn.
Now so,
When did this happen?
Yesterday. Boss, yesterday.
God, you guys are idiots. You guys have messed up this whole scenario for me. You would have called me at that time he was there, so I would come and beat him black and blue.
exactly. But so now what did I tell them? I tell them, man, we will call you. They call the chicken out. I tell them, man, we will call you. Man, you poop body, man, everywhere, pause. So if you poop body that place, you don't go to the yanta rubbish. I tell them. They come, they talk to rubbish. They say, hey, man, we'll see you. Man, we'll play you face to face. This and this. I tell them.
Makachi, if I get that Udekwe man, I will strangle him, break his bones, and feed his carcass to the vulture.
Boss, why don't we leave Udekwe's land alone? That man is dangerous. Is it not better we look for another land and sell?
Shut up your mouth. Who asked your opinion? What you guys do not know is that land is worth over 100 million naira.
My chairman. What?
But we go find another buyer.
You see that land? Bobby, we go sell that land.
We'll sell them. Chima, we'll sell that land. In short, we don't sell them.
We go sell them. Boss, we better leave people's land for prosterity's sake. Can happen and them mad.
Okay, when they speak nonsense English, who's up for prosperity? You need billing. What man will make you? Who's going to make it here? For prosperity sake.
Now make us support this idiot.
Paul! Paul, come out here.
Boss.
Wait, who's that?
Boss, that's Udeko's voice.
Eh?
Wait, this man get my coin here.
Give myself.
This man get my coin here.
Bobby, man, go. Who
Paul, I'm not going to leave this place until you come out here and tell me why you decided to dig your own grave with your own hands. Paul!
Okoro! Open that gate.
Okay, sir.
Oh, look at them. Land snatchers. Thieves.
Udekwe, you call me a thief in my own house?
If you're not a thief, then tell me what you are. He that sells another's land in his absence without his consent, what is he?
I will not have you come to my house and insult me.
Paul, or whatever you call yourself, tell your boys to stay away from my land.
Are you threatening me? Wait, do you know who I am?
I'm still talking to you because of Ndulwe, your father. The next time you step into my land will be your last. Get out. Okay, try it once again. And you'll find yourself on a particular spot, defecating and urinating on yourself with withered hand. You know what that means? I will dash you stroke. Not partial one, full dose. I'm telling you what I will do. I'm not threatening you. And the way I'm saying it is exactly the way I'm going to do it. Just try it once again and you know who I am. Only the mention of my name should put fear on anybody, but just pretend that you are not frightened and I'll put you off. Idiots. Let me find anybody on my land with you. Open the gate! Let me get out of this cursed place.
Udekwe is very diabolic and he mean every single word he just spoke.
Go and sit down. You will not do anything.
Boss, Udekwe is not only diabolic, he's a man rooted in tradition. You should know this.
Can you all shut up and let me think?
Exactly what you know. You always the chicken out normally. Normally you been get baby mind. You don't get mind normally.
See, boss, had it been I knew that land rightfully belongs to Udekwe, nothing would have missed my foot on that land. To God, I will never try it. Nothing will make me. To God.
Okay, you've been the chicken out before now. You been get chicken mind.
My-
Maybe today.
My chairman, this is how I'm beginning to feel. I can't reach my life because of that land. We have other lands in this town. Please, let us leave that particular piece of land.
Even you, Chima. You don't fear too.
This man, they
Okay, come on to say this man, they. What did the man? Person was just there, they talk for mouth, they talk rubbish. What did they do?
This meeting is over.
Chairman. Boss, you need that.
Okay, come out here.
You don't say you go give our chairman EB. You know what
Let's
EB?
go.
Who doesn't know Udekwe in this community?
I don't know why I
EB. Now why EB?
come on, man.
If now you
Come on,
you go give
Who give you EB?
You don't know where Udekwe be. Person there is saying go give you full dose of growth. You know the meaning of full dose of growth? The only man wey get mind. You know say wetin tell oga? Full dose of growth. And then we say you don't even work again. Of course they even feel. You go one place to shoot. Oga, no, we go check that other land.
Useless man and a wala there. But give him that land, give him a wagon now. Tamper with that land and see.
Oh. Babe, I think you need to pay heed to those boys and refrain. That man I saw leaving this compound wasn't joking when he said he will kill you.
No, please, please. Stay out of land business. You have no discussion with it.
Really? Paul, would you rather die dragging another man's land? Huh? How come you don't want to stop this act of yours and start behaving like your brother Peter? Okay, now, all the money you've been making from your crooked ways, what have you managed to do with them? What?
Is something wrong with you? What kind of stupid question is that?
Paul, you know, I am trying so hard not to get offended because I see you're trying to insult me.
Stay out of my business and there will be peace.
And I will still advise you to stay away from that man's land. That is my candid advice to you, Paul. Stop it.
If you forget everything, everything in this world, do not forget I'm still Paul the Enigma. The perfect definition of Onyisinkoka. Asika akulishie. Do you hear me? Anything I have mapped out for sale must be sold.
Paul. Paul. Two brothers, different personalities. This is still confusing. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Is Paul around?
Yes, please have a seat. Let me fetch him, please do.
Thank you.
Welcome. Paul, sorry to disturb you. You have a visitor.
Who?
Come see for yourself. Excuse me.
Nai, I have heard what you said. I'll talk to him.
Prof, please. Help me drive my point home. Tell Paul to desist from encroaching into my land. Else, I'll give him an oversized scrotum. Ibi, Nkwo Ibi. I do not say things I don't have intentions of doing.
I don't know why Paul keeps embarrassing the Ndulwe family. Bringing shame to her name, painting us black before people. But I promise you, I'll talk to him.
Do you know that sometimes I wonder if both of you are twins?
Nah, you don't want to know the embarrassment I face out there every day from people mistaking me for Paul.
It is that thing he takes. That kai he drinks every day that prevents him from thinking like a human being.
But why inflict pain on people? That's the question.
You should know better. He's your brother. Tell him to stop trading on dangerous grounds. Because I will kill him if he dares enter my land again. I will kill him.
I wash my hands off anything that concerns Udekwe's land. That man is too devilish. Very devilish. We no go continue.
Okay, if
Udekwe
you no want continue, say you no want continue. Which one be we no go continue? You know here when Oga say that land is worth over 1 million. No, hundreds of millions.
See, even if that land worth 10 billion naira, my guy, you need to understand that Udekwe is very deadly. Okay, that man, na juju man.
Now, you know that my father told me about how devilish Udekwe is.
Oh.
Do you know who we are working for? Polo the Enigma. Polo, you see, Coca. Now you will follow. I don't know how they chicken out.
See. Polo na this, Polo na Gbegbe. See, you need to understand say Udekwe dey very deadly.
Bam!
Udekwe na very wicked man.
Can I ask one question? Why is Polo the Enigma so interested in selling Udekwe's land, knowing how devilish that man is?
Okay, the answer is very simple. The land is worth over hundreds of millions. If we say that land, oh my brother, you are settled. We are settled.
I know.
We are settled.
We are settled.
On the grave. We are settled on the grave.
I forget that. That man if you do anything.
See, I wash my legs, my hands.
No,
go drink.
You don't forget key for this thing. You see,
who wants? Nobody go feel.
So small Arizona where you smoke.
Calm down. I decide to me and you the smoke. No, they follow me. They yam anyhow.
Come we drink.
Go. Come now, buy you some.
Sorry to have kept you.
He's coming.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you very much.
Who is the person?
Oh, sure, that's fine. Paul the Enigma. Good afternoon, sir.
And now who did you say wanted to see me?
Come on, Paul. You cannot pretend not to see me.
Listen, babe. I don't know what the drama is she's trying to start. But she's here on behalf of the family, so please listen to her. Okay? I'll join you, sir.
Thank you very much, Emma. Would you rather sit down or stand so we could have a proper discussion?
I know the reason you are here.
Oh, good. That makes it easier for both of us.
You came here telling my woman about a certain seer who had seen some rubbish.
No, I'm not really concerned about what the seer said. But I am shocked that you, a medical doctor, would swallow all of those things hook, line, and sinker.
I am surprised you're reacting this way. We all know that there is a problem in this family. Whatever you heard is the truth.
What is the truth, Clara? How can you, of all people with all your education, believe fetish people? Does medicine have any inclination with spiritualism?
Paul, for goodness sake, it is glaring. It is obvious that something is definitely wrong somewhere. I just need you all to, you and your brother to believe what... sorry. But can you keep that? You can go ahead with it when I'm gone. Please. Thank you.
Okay, what's your solution?
Can we at least sit down? It's okay, never mind. Paul, we all know that there is a problem in this family. We're just trying to hide or run away from it one way or the other. But we can't run forever. Look at you. You have a beautiful and amazing woman with you in the house. At your age, you are not married. Your brother who's been married to me for the past 5 years. What can we show? No child. And you think everything is fine? I am a medical doctor, yet I believe what the man said. It goes a long way to show that something is wrong. Please.
Your husband, Peter, is a complete failure. Yes. That is why he's unable to impregnate you. Clara, just give me a chance. Just one moment with you and
Wait a minute. I believe that's a joke. You're not serious, are you?
if you are really, really serious with finding a solution, you will heed my suggestion.
Lusting after your brother's wife is making a suggestion? And you want me to listen to you?
Pregnancy is what you want, isn't it?
And you think my husband is not man enough to get me pregnant, yeah?
Isn't it glaring?
Oh, it's you who can get me pregnant. You are the man.
Clara, I want to make a confession. The truth is, I've always wanted to have you.
Oh my goodness.
Listen to me. Look at your skin, look at the way it glitters. Look at the succulence and the texture. If you let me eat you just once, I swear to God you'll get pregnant instantly.
Just shut up. Just keep quiet. You are getting me irritated at this point. I'm just trying so hard not to get upset. Goodness. Can I ask you a question? Have you ever gotten any girl pregnant?
Yes! Yes! You know, and that's why I'm wondering what you're doing with the wrong man.
You are disgusting. There is something wrong with you upstairs. You are sick. Go get help. Now listen, I will pretend this never happened. But let it not ever. I don't even need to hear you say anything about this again.
Clara.
Jesus.
You want to Clara say, Atoka. I'm too sweet, I'm a dog. Just let me enter once. No go through me.
Paul.
I'm not lying to you.
Paul, listen to me. Reconciling with your brother is the only solution to whatever that evil woman did to this family. If I were you, I would do something about it.
Clara, just look at you.
Have a night.
Look at the look. Just look at you.
Get off my way. I really don't want to scream in my house. Get out.
I promise you, no go for someone.
Disgusting.
Clap.
Clara, one pam, ipurime. Clara!
This woman is proving hard to get. Bueno, again. Voilà. Well, this family, mind not talking. Where are they?
Yeah? You want Madam Good, huh? You want Madam Good?
They smoke too much, they try calm down.
See what they right here. Smokers are able to die young.
On
when engine to me, man. I get what I do with this life.
Father.
You don't want Madam Good now, come now.
What a mosquito, man.
What? Sorry.
Now, yeah, 3 bottles of one packet.
I don't understand. What you say that one start? If you come, you talk what you go drink. Make I talk what I drink.
You don't go drink again.
It concern you what I want to drink.
My dear Beck, I no one drink Wompa. Just get me a very cold bottle of more.
I know say I want for me. Now the G you go drink.
I better give me one party and then ask this my guy what he want to do.
You get blue bullet, abi?
Yes, sir.
Cold one,
No.
guys, I'm getting tired of this job.
Why?
This is our work. It's making me do so many terrible and unimaginable things, which I'm not supposed to get myself involved with.
I don't understand though. I don't just understand you. See, guy, I am not leaving this job. And I am not ready to leave this job as long as it puts food on my table, pays my bills. I am in for it.
So even if they tell you to kill someone, kidnap, or highway robbery, you will do it.
Nah. Highway robbery and kidnapping is understatement. Yeah, Omoga babe Nigo now say, Chima, you get one big man who go kill you now, go swap. Yeah, if I get it here, the man, the way I go make stab that man, I go kill him, confirm I'm there, say you don't buy. He give me go bring one.
You dey hear Chima?
Yeah. What you think? So wait, you won't leave about the work. Which work you won't go do? You want to start to the carry file, they go back.
Yeah.
Okay, now tell me, which job now? I be which work for this country now? Better pass this out.
See.
No, answer me now.
The truth of the matter is that I don't want to get myself involved with any kind of devilish thing in the name of making money.
You see,
My woman is pregnant. And I don't want to dent the image of my household. Think about it now.
You know what they pay me pass for this?
Go talk.
You know what they pay me? Anytime when we they talk as men, as guys we will be, this move will come up with. Like say you don't marry. The woman wey you be say give belle, now they call a wife.
ordinary small thing self, you never do for the girl head.
Look at ask you for now. When I don't give you my belle before. You fit keep belle.
You know how many belle wey they bring for me?
When they bring for you.
Imagine.
If I dey keep them, you know how many to the wife?
You don't declare one
I
community.
dey tell you.
Because two of you are not mad. That is why you cannot keep one woman. Give her belle. Keep her, let's see.
You see, you see this Nana, we need to give this guy serious orientation.
I swear to God.
I don't understand you.
Wait, why you even take join this work?
Orientation. Guy, na men wey get mind dey keep woman belle. Try do am make you see.
Drink more, maybe you can make temperature down. Maybe something they worry you.
No dey you too dey miss am.
Bobby drink something. I know the waiting that the Geo they do in the midst of that book.
That girl has not attended classes for one day. I learned she's been the one buying brand new phones for all lecturers and has slept a number of them. But I will tell her that I am not one of those lecturers. If she has to graduate, she has to pass those courses herself. Of course. Listen, I may not be very rich, I may not be a millionaire, but I am comfortable. And I will tell her I do not need her money.
Hey, darling.
My wife is here, please. I'll call you back. Let me give her the attention she needs, okay? All right, bye-bye. My love, my angel. How are you?
I'm very well. And you?
I'm good, just here waiting for the match to start.
Oh my goodness, I totally forgot the new season starts today. I need to. I'm running.
Please get me food.
Wait a minute, what did you just say?
Food, I want to eat.
No, what is the meaning of this? Honey, you are eating too much. I served you pounded yam before I left this house.
Yeah.
And you want to... Stop. That must be a joke.
Wait, I cannot eat in my own house again?
You are becoming a glutton. That is what it means.
You now call me names for asking for food in my own house.
Biko, don't put words in my mouth. I'll go upstairs, freshen up and come and serve you food. But really, you need to watch it. You're eating too much. Come on.
Food, please.
What happened to our six-packs?
I don't care about that
Our
now.
trip to Mauritius Island?
Hey, my pot
where you
belly
have to give them all the sexy poses and all.
No, pot belly will do the magic.
Ah, oh God.
And wait for 3 meats. Hey, okay.
What are you still doing? Huh? I don't come outside to see you. Still go by wait till I go back. Come back, come see you here. Who will be?
They crazy. Are they rude? Are they block you?
Madam, you dey block me, oh. You dey block me. You have to leave here because if my oga come back and see you here, you no go like wetin go do, oh. Yeah, I don't tell you, oh.
No, tell me who be your oga? Who be your oga now?
Madam, you better leave before you see something else. So me, I don't tell you.
Wetin I wan see when I never see before? Polo the Nigima. Now I wan see. They go make me run.
Where you hear that name from? Madam.
I can now leave.
I have confirmed what I came to do. Tell Polo the Engima that I will come visit him and finally do.
Wetin get man no go see forget.
Baby, tell me now. Wetin happen?
Wait now, make them reach, make everybody know we complete.
Ah, babes, how far now? Wetin be the urgent call?
Agnes, your voice no good at all. Wetin happen?
Like, wetin so?
I dey vex. I talk am. No, babes, I dey vex.
Wetin so? Wetin happen?
Ah! Person run me street.
Hi!
No be even saying run me street dey pay me. Wetin dey pay me be say on a normal, the guy no even reach to stop me, greet me for road.
Hi!
Na because say he get the kind sapa wey hold me that day. Ah! That kind sapa, if I even see dog wey put money for mouth, I go carry am enter room for money.
That sapa don do me one time. I remember am. I don experience am.
Daybreak o. All the stars, all the missionary style when I don learn since when I start this business, I give am to this guy. Una ask me wetin happen last now.
Wetin happen?
No pay me.
The thing wey this man dey do don dey vex me. E dey vex my body. How you go give am all this style, missionary style? Doggy,
up and down.
Still he no gree pay you.
Why now?
Hey! You give am that style.
Snake in the monkey.
See,
Hey!
the battle line has been drawn. We must fight.
See this thing, the thing dey pain me. It dey pain me reach my bone. And na this men dey make us wey be say we dey open to plenty diseases. Na we that they use do kidnapping. If they find wetin to dey do money ritual, na we that they find. Sicknesses or infections, every plenty things na we our body dey land. And at the end of the day, to come pay us go come be wahala. When we say na this business we dey chop. As I do like this, I no get another thing. Na the only surviving thing wey I dey do for my life be this. Na one year man go comot for somewhere, say he go do you finish, he no go pay you money. Who e be?
Rose don talk and finish. My sister. And they forget say, society forget say now we dey satisfy all those men wey their wife no fit satisfy for bed.
My sister.
We dey give them many styles. They arrange them for them, they give them, they no fit pay us. See, this one don't reach. Sisters, in this business, we don't be sisters. This one don't dey choke me for neck. They see this man, we go find now. Sister, we no find now.
Paul go collect water.
Wait, make I ask. This person where they call, this goat where they call, so you get any idea how to see him? Like any clue?
Be that stupid whether na chairman, agbero chairman, motor transport, I don't know even what
Wait. That one we carry dreadlocks. Hey! We always put one designer bottle.
Hey!
Nah,
that man! We carry two of us that day.
Wey in bread they stay.
Hey! That man! You know him?
Hi, what if I know a person wey carry me daybreak?
Can you do you this?
Wait. You carry daybreak.
That daybreak.
Hey, you get luck, oh. He pursue us. Waiting be time sef. He don't pursue us come out. You get luck. If you see how man take bank us that day, Chineke God. Hi! Throw leg. Up and down. Everywhere. Now you go if you say no pay you.
Paul go collect.
He go collect.
Paul go collect.
If I don't shock him.
I never do Osho for my life.
Why you do Osho?
Since when I start this business. Now 2 decades.
As I did like this,
I never do Osho. You go pay that
As
money
you
time.
find finish.
Hey.
Like this guy for hand.
Hey.
We go 3 times.
You don't even sabi play yourself. You don't look like say you see anything. After this round, before don't try. We are not surprised. We don't know the same level again. I'm telling you.
Guys, do you know that this Onyinye's pregnancy changed the whole lot about me? We can see it.
It is written all over you.
We can see it.
Onyinye really changed the lot about me.
Onyi, what are you doing here? Who even told you that I'm here?
You're asking me what I'm doing here. What are you doing here?
I'm enjoying with my friends now.
Are you not supposed to be home?
Sorry. My man. need to go.
No, there's no problem.
Let me go and do my duty.
Take it easy.
If you don't want to go tomorrow, no problem.
No problem. One day off. Because he give you your money. Now like this marriage. If I marry, may they bury me with my kids.
I swear.
Imagine.
No. Now listen, if any girl just waka come tell me say she get belle,
You go come out.
you go come out am.
You go come
I
out.
know fit do this guy.
Imagine this guy. Thing.
My love, there is something I want to talk to you about. I don't want any of this to get you upset, but I just want to get to know you better.
Babe, you know you can ask me about anything in this world, and I will give you the sincerest of answers, right?
Thank you. Have you ever gotten any woman pregnant?
What kind of question is that?
Honey, like I said, I really don't want to get you upset. But you know what they say. It is she who wears the shoes that knows where it hurts. I don't want you to take this some type of way, please.
You're confusing me, babes. Where are you driving at?
I just want to know. I mean, looking at you from your answer, it clearly shows that you don't recall getting any woman, any of your exes pregnant. Doesn't that tell you something?
I don't get it. Wait. Is that something to get a trophy for? Was I supposed to have impregnated my girlfriends outside of wedlock?
Honey, please, let's not twist this. The whole time you dated your exes, didn't any of them walk up to you to tell you that you have put her in a family way?
None that I remember.
Exactly my point. From all I understand now, it clearly shows that you never got any of your exes pregnant.
See, honey, truth is, I've always been a science student all my life. And I understood early in life the implications of catching infections, to not indulge in unprotected sex.
So what you're saying in essence is that you never had unprotected sex?
Never. As a matter of fact, I wasn't a sex freak like most boys my age at that time.
Can you just stop this joke? You mean the whole time you were with your exes, you never slept with even one girl without a condom? Come on, babes, I'm not a child. You can't fool me.
Wait. What are you insinuating? That I am lying?
What I am saying is that you are trying so hard not to believe the revelation from that man. Why?
I cannot believe anything that is not scientifically proven.
My love, you need to drop this stubbornness and look for a way to solve this puzzle. The earlier you do this, the better for us all.
I can see that seer has succeeded in rumpling your mind. Can you hear yourself talk? Babe, you're a qualified medical doctor. Practicing with FMC. Now I really understand the saying that religion is the opium of the people.
And where did religion come into this? How? My love, I am only speaking facts.
These are no facts. These are colossal fallacies. And I'm not going to discuss this further with you. Good night. A whole Paul the Enigma. Oh, cock and bull story, is that what you call it? Listen, I'm surprised you're the one saying this. Is this really the reason you came here after all these years? What other reason could be more powerful than this? Look at me, look at my life. Do you think I'm happy with the kind of life I live? You think I'm happy not being married at this age? You think I'm happy studying law and not practicing it, knowing I have the knowledge? Is that it? I spent the whole night reflecting on what your wife said, and I have come to the realization that there is point in what she said. Paul, if you wanted to practice law, you would. Look at me. Am I not practicing what I studied? What is happening to you is as a result of people's lands you sold. It has nothing to do with any curse or any evil girl. What about you? No, look at you. You have been married for years, yet you have not even one single child to show for it. Does that not tell you that something is wrong somewhere? At least I am married. Look at you. All you do is frolic with prostitutes every time. Now you are living with a Calabar girl who I'm sure in no time you will throw out of your house. Decide and fix your life like a man. And stop reading useless meanings into your self-induced setback. I'm not letting the demon in you discourage me. Wait, are you being serious with me? There is a demon in me. And you are the one who is okay, really? I am not here for this.